No, she just said, oh, you want to go? I'm not paying. Okay, I'm paying. She was like, okay, let me buy it. Okay.
It's funny. Say hey to the vlog.
Hey, vlog.
You're sitting on the toilet. I ain't gonna lie, your grandma's funny.
She's hilarious.
The question she was asking her. Nah, what she was saying? I don't know what she was saying, like, oh, give it out. She was like, oh, she said, you got no say, you know? Dang. Because Anisha was worse. Anisha was like, wait. She was like, she was doing all the sound effects. Yeah, all the sound effects. I'm like, that's why they say kids are different. Sasula. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Okay, bust out then. Bust out with it then. Okay then, I see. So don't touch the jumper. Wash your hands. Girl, you can walk. I walk her with shoes in your old time. Period. Period. I like the look. Me? Oh, her? Okay. Man, I'm dressy then. Girl, you're not the only one. There's shoes in here. How many people live here? Girl. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it. Hey! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Girl, I'm recording. Happy birthday. So ghetto. Woo! Hey, August baby, you feel me? We on top. Hey. What are you recording? Is it a real? Girl, she barely made it to August. Hey. Don't do me like that. You barely made August, girl. You September and August. Y'all see my friend? Get out of here. Ah! Let me go put my thing on. Okay, so everybody wearing pants. I ain't got no pants. I was gonna wear a dress, but I got so much clothes now. I need somewhere to wear them. Must be nice. I got so much clothes. Well, I have a dress. Woo. Y'all see the BerryFae beauty? Thank you. Wow. Great. Hey, that's all that was. I see sneakers. No, you got them. Is that Fashion Nova? Yeah. I see sneakers. You have one? I show. Oh yeah, yes. You're right. Nice. Wait. And a dress. You know why I grabbed it? Because you have to iron it. Yeah. That's why I grabbed it. Okay. Wait, don't buy that. Do you have a small brown? Where's that? A what? A cute little clutch brown. Clutch? Like a cute little bag. Child, I Check on there, but I don't think I have brown. Oh yeah, I do, in the top of my closet. It has a gold chain. You can step on the thing. I always use it to step up.
Oh, okay.
All right, the face is done. Let's get dressed.
Share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love, your goes on and on. You give me a anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on
It's me. It's me.
Okay, Paru.
Okay.
Just a reminder. That's gonna be a caption.
Just a reminder. Not just a reminder. Check. What are you wearing?
Simple and
Ruching
ruching
with the Tories.
with some Tories. Okay.
Wait, hold on. Wait. Okay, there you go. Do it again. Tory and Rouge. Ready for fall. What you got on, Gigi?
Shein.
Period. Okay. Next.
Some boutique, not.
Don't play.
I got the Nike one.
With the okay. Period.
Fashion Nova.
And BerryFae's closet. Don't even forget that.
Fashion Nova.
Thank you. That's from Fashion Nova, actually.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, it's inside.
Babe.
It's. I'm pretty sure. For the one time I ever did.
Well.
Hopefully this place popping, because it looked like it is online, but you know.
Okay.
Oh, exactly. Because I mean, it's looking a little blanche around here.
I'm going on our way here. Everybody was driving the speed limit.
That's how you know. Oh my gosh. Why it looks so blanche? This is not it. It can't be. Is it? You see this?
We be in fucking street. Well, let's see if they food got something to be had. Yeah, that's it, bro. Open the door.
Hi. It's good. Okay. 5. Just like girls.
Talented. Wow. Talented and gifted.
Dessert test. You ready?
I thought it came right on. Oh, yeah.
Let's do it.
There's no
I don't know. We can do it.
It's different.
Alright, taste it without. That's the best thing I ate today. You're good. Oh, that's cute. What am I saying? Got it.
There's some good. I can't remember the name. It's like diabetes in the bowl.
Yep.
Just all go in the room.
Yeah.
Watching Mean Girls.
Again. I swear I was gonna watch this tonight in bed. I was. I don't know what. I'm addicted to Mean Girl. Okay, vanilla bean ice cream.
Got everything we say.
Yeah.
Now I want to make churros at home with ice cream.
Okay. How you make churros?
At home.
Yeah, I don't like churros.
That's even better.
Wanna say thank you?
Yeah.
For what?
Yeah.
Come in. Where do I Bibles? I want to go somewhere else. I don't want to go home yet.
You know some more stick pictures?
I want to go somewhere where there's music. Yeah. I don't know.
There's a flying roach on that side.
Yeah, there was.
What?
Yeah, a flying roach.
Here, bro, I'm going.
And somebody walked past it.
A flying roach.
I seen it. And it wasn't
looking over
flying.
there like that's a good place to do it.
Oh, and actually right here, over there. There's nobody walking that way.
Who am I messing? Move. Bro, I was doing a TikTok. And this blood, literally, my thing set up. And I'm like,
She walked right past it.
right in the middle.
You wanted to be in it. And if it was like you was doing a TikTok, oh, I didn't see.
Well, exactly. You knew what it was.
The fact that you spit it, you make it. No, for real. The fact that you
was
eat it.
yellow. That's why teeth was yellow.
How you like?
Oh, maybe I could set it up on that bench.
Yeah.
I'm dead. I was about to sit on it.
You can sit on it.
I guess.
What is this place?
Samsung, Apple, Lutron,
Oh, it's a barber shop.
Oh, this will be a cute place to take a picture.
It's a barber shop.
With the purple light.
Find the sound.
Come on. Dang, I need to watch it.
Wait, you didn't even give me time. Go do your thing.
We don't
do
know
your
the- I don't know
thing.
the
You wanna
dance.
do it.
You look like a hot mess right here. Face. Okay.
Wow. Now we gotta do one like this. You gotta do that one. Do it for your birthday. I forgot the sound. It goes. I forgot how it goes. Yes. Yeah, right in the door.